GCSE Biology. This is a revision lesson on the topic sex inheritance. So grab your book and grab your pen and let us begin. The lesson objective is to carry out genetic cross to show sex inheritance. How many chromosomes are found in the human body cells? The answer is 23 pairs or 46. Let us now look at how we combine these 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. So in meiosis, sex cells are produced, the sperm cell and the egg cell. This type of cell division allows for only half the number of chromosomes to be present in these cells. So 23 chromosomes in the sperm cell and 23 in the egg cell. When these cells fuse from fertilization, one cell is produced called the zygote, and this cell contains 46 chromosomes, 23 from the sperm cell from dad and 23 from mom, the egg cell. So on the screen you are seeing a human karyotype. A karyotype is basically a visual representation of an individual's complete set of chromosomes arranged in numerical order. So remember we said that there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in the human body cells, and you can see them numbered. Chromosome 1 to chromosome 22 are similar in shape, and they carry genes for various characteristics of the body. Chromosome pair 23. Look at the karyotype, everybody. Chromosome pair 23 are the sex chromosomes, and they determine the sex of offspring. So whether you have a male or a female child. Males have different sex chromosomes. Look at this point from everybody. Those are the sex chromosomes, X and Y for males. While females, they have the same sex chromosomes, X and X. Let us now look at how females end up with XX chromosome and males end up with XY. So remember, in the sex cells, they only carry half the number of chromosomes, so they will only be carrying 23. Only one sex chromosome is found in each gamete or each sex cell. So in this sperm cell, we have 22 plus X. In this one, it's 22 plus Y. What am I saying right here? Each sperm cell, yes, has 23 chromosomes, but one of the chromosomes is the sex cell, and the sperm cell could either have X or Y. For females now, the egg cell has same 23 chromosome, but all egg cells contains the X chromosome. So if this sperm cell fuses with this egg cell, we end up with XX, and that is a female child. If this sperm cell fuses with this egg cell, now we end up with XY, and that's a male child. The inheritance of sex can be shown using a Punnett square, and that is what is required of you in your exam. They can ask you to draw this from scratch and fill it in, or they could do the drawing for you and you need to complete it. So let us look at how we fill in a Punnett square to show the inheritance of sex. First thing you need to do is to label this up, male and female, and put the gametes in. Please remember, the male gamete can have X chromosome or Y chromosome, while female will only have X. So let us look at this now. So if this egg cell fuses with this sperm cell, the result would be XX, and that's a female. If this egg cell fuses with this sperm cell, the result would be XX, and that's another female. But if this egg cell fuses with this sperm cell, the result would be XY, and that's a male. If this egg cell fuses with this sperm cell, it would be XY, and that is a male. There is always a 50-50 chance of producing a boy or a girl from a pregnancy. Let us now look at some exam style questions. Question 1. In humans, the sex chromosomes X and Y determine whether the baby will be male or female. Draw a genetic diagram to show how sex is inherited. All you need to do, students, is 1, 2, 1, 2. Label this up as male. Write out the word, please. I'm just writing M and F for now. And put the gametes in. X, Y for male and XX for female. And then we fill in the genotype for the offspring. So that would be XX. This is also XX. And this will be XY. And this is also XY. And that's a good 2 marks. Next question. A man blamed his wife for giving birth to daughters instead of sons. Explain to this man why he is wrong to blame his wife. A Y chromosome is needed for a male child, and only males have that Y chromosome. That's the answer. Sir, we're not blaming anyone. And if anybody is to be blamed, it is you. All right, don't write that, students, please. All you need to write is this for your answer, right? A Y chromosome is needed for a male child, and only males have the Y chromosome. Did you achieve the learning objectives, students? Are you able to carry out genetic cross to show sex inheritance? The only way you'll find out is by practicing exam questions on this concept. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best in your exams. Bye-bye.